Reasoning is one of the main subjects of bank exam and other competitive exams. But the problem is, reasoning is not a subject that we learn at our school or college level. It is only meant for competitive exams. So at the beginning, students may find it a bit difficult. But once you understand the correct logic of the various topics of reasoning, you will be able to smash a record in reasoning. I am Kala Deepak, Director of Kites Training Academy. I am a reasoning teacher for more than 10 years. Have been able to make reasoning easy for thousands of students. Now, we are providing online classes for reasoning in simple English language. Quiz and other practice questions are also made available along with this package. For more details, please visit online.kitesacademy.com. So I shall introduce to you the various topics that come under reasoning. So these are the various topics, the main topics, okay? Letter number series, letter number arrangement, letter number symbol code, decoding, direction sense test, blood relation, puzzle, syllogism, coded inequality, coded relationship, data sufficiency, input output, decision making and logical reasoning. These are the main topics in reasoning. Okay. We shall start from the very basics of reasoning, which is letter number series, a very easy topic. All these are easy topics. Slowly we will move to the we will move to the difficult ones. Okay. Blood relation is a bit confusing but an interesting topic. Coded relationship is related to blood relations. So after learning blood relation, we'll go to coded relation. Then puzzles. Puzzle, the word puzzle itself means confusion. I got puzzle means I became confused, right? So the puzzle questions are also like that. It's like, it will make us confused. But again, once we understand puzzles, once we practice more and more questions of puzzle will turn out to be a interesting topic for us for sure. Then it will become like an interesting thing for us. We will keep on doing puzzles. Whenever we get a new question in puzzle, we'll be like thrilled, Okay, let me solve it, let me check it out. That is the main thing about puzzle. So when we start with puzzle, we may feel, oh, this is creating a lot of confusion. But once we move on to more and more practice, it will turn out to be an interesting topic. And my favorite, syllogism. I love it. It's a very interesting topic. While starting, you may think, oh, what the headache is this? But when we learn it in an orderly manner, syllogism is a very easy topic. And I would say syllogism is the topic in which you can easily score mark in reasoning among all the other topics. If you ask me, out of these many topics, which is the topic that we can easily do? Which is the topic that we can easily do and score marks? I will say it is syllogism. If you learn it in the correct way, syllogism is the topic that creates less confusion, that can be solved easily, and we can easily score marks. Okay. Coded inequality is also a simple topic. Again, a sure question where we can easily score marks. Data sufficiency, input output, these all have some techniques to solve, which I shall be teaching you. You won't understand if I tell now. We shall be learning it topic wise topic. And again, we have another topic, logical reasoning, which is a very important topic for mains and POs and all. So all these topics we will be covering, and of course some more also, and we will be covering the basic levels as well as the higher levels of all these topics. Okay, so that is what reasoning is all about. So hope you got a basics in reasoning. And remember always, the main success key for reasoning is practice. There may not be a shortcut for all the topics, but the main shortcut is practice. Practice as many questions as you can. Even if it is for the simplest topic, letter number series, do as many questions as you can, because as you keep on practicing, your speed will keep on increasing and you will be able to complete reasoning in the prescribed time for sure. Easily you will be able to complete. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.